we should bust them.
Oh my god, they're gonna hurt themselves or somebody. This guy's like, oh, I'm gonna stay on your ass. Oh my god, they're gonna go right into that wall. Oh no.
Did they?
No, not yet. Oh yeah, they're about to. Oh my god. Try to alert them. It's like honk your horn or something to them. Maybe no. Oh my god, they're gonna wreck. Please stop.
I'm recording it.
I know it.
I'm gonna
It's
follow
always
them.
something right here, huh? It's
I'm
weird.
gonna follow them.
Oh my god, they're gonna go right through that light. Oh my
Oh,
god,
they
they're
are.
loaded. Oh my god.
Oh, they barely stopped.
Oh my god. I feel like should I get out and say something to them?
No. You never know what they're gonna.
Oh, they're gonna hurt themselves. It's gonna be all bad.
Oh, they don't put in reverse.
Should I call 911?
No, just wait a minute. I mean,
Yeah, well, they're definitely loaded for sure.
yeah, definitely. You do that. Do them.
Oh, boy.
Yeah, you should probably call.
Oh, God. They're so fucking taped.
You can call.
Okay.
He just went all the way through the fucking light. Oh, he's gonna put it in reverse. I'm good. Just tell me here, right here, Portland Avenue. Right?
East Portland Avenue and it's right at the casino. There's a white 300
Chrysler.
Chrysler in front of us, and they're loaded.
Oh, now he's getting out of his
he's
car.
getting out of the car. I'm on Portland, and I'm at the stoplight.
All right, we're about to fucking do something here. Oh, he's trying to he's so drunk, dude. He's so loaded. He's trying to get into his car. Oh, there he goes back in his car.
He needs to not drive.
Okay.
That was weird. That guy needs. She put me over there.
Oh, don't go in reverse, buddy.
He's so loaded.
You good, bro?
I think his car works just fine.
He's so loaded. What's he waiting on now?
I don't know. These people aren't even answering. I'm just gonna hang up. I don't even know. Just gonna have to deal with it.
Look how drunk he is, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Got it all on film. Got it all on camera, bud.
Wow.
I'm gonna put my hazards on.
Those guys just gonna help him. Tell them that he's right, that he's drunk.
Hey, Bruce! He's loaded, dude!
It's so hard to do.
Oh my god. He's about to get, but he's too drunk. He's so stupid drinking that like that bad.
You should go up by him and I'm just gonna ask him, are you drunk, bro? Because if you are, the cops are gonna come, you're gonna go to jail. So
Yeah,
you probably should just park. He needs to just park. Oh, he wrecked it.
What do you mean? Oh, he did. Oh, he did wreck it.
Holy fuck. Oh, the airbag's deployed and everything. Oh, he's so drunk.
I'm gonna go over to this park over here. Oh, he's bumming, dude.
I didn't even see him hit anything. Oh, that guy's so drunk too, though. Drunk. You saw him. We saw him driving. It was clear that he was obviously not in the right.
He's He's all, come here, help me. Hey!
I just went home.
I wonder what he said to him.
Oh, he said, hello?
This one?
Did you guys see that whole crash?
Yeah,
Yeah, I
that
got it
was
all on
crazy.
camera too.
Oh shit.
There,
I didn't see him wrecking anything. Yeah, he just was getting all kind of crazy.
There's a guy that just he just wrecked his car off
He's
the
too
freeway on East Portland Avenue, and he looks like he's pretty drunk.
That's too drunk, dude. I get if you get drunk and shit,
right
but
at
that's
the
just
cas-
too
right at
drunk.
the,
That's fucked
where
up.
the casino is, right? I mean, it's right at the light.
He's gonna kill. Good thing he didn't kill somebody though.
Yeah, I had to
Yeah.
call the cops straight up, dude. Like, get him off the
No,
road.
but he's definitely loaded. We watched the whole
Yeah,
thing
no
from the
shit,
freeway
dude.
till he got off the freeway. He like, he wrecked himself. Because he couldn't. He didn't appear to be, but he definitely
Yeah.
appeared to be intoxicated. He hit the sidewall.
Yeah,
coming
I'm
off the
actually on.
exit.
Look at my YouTube. It'll be on YouTube. MaxSend.
No, he was on the freeway, and then but he was acting weird on the freeway because I don't know, he was just going really slow. He was swerving really a lot, and then all of a sudden he just like it was like he was going to. I mean, he apparently wrecked into the wall, but you couldn't really tell because he kept going.
Yeah, he's sitting.
But he's sitting right there.
Portland
He's sitting
Avenue,
duck.
right in front of
wrecked
the
it,
casino.
and he's
Like,
not moving. So
airbags deployed. He's just